Detox waters are a popular way to infuse flavor into your hydration routine while potentially offering some health benefits. Here are 15 different combinations you can try. Lemon helps with digestion, and mint adds a refreshing flavor. Cucumber is hydrating, and lime adds a zesty twist. Both have anti-inflammatory properties. A sweet and vitamin-rich combination, a citrusy and antioxidant-rich option, a summery blend with a hint of herbiness. Apple slices and a cinnamon stick for a warm, cozy flavor. A tropical twist on detox water. Aloe may have digestive benefits and honey adds sweetness. A fragrant and tangy combination. A unique mix with potential health benefits. Lavender for relaxation and lemon for freshness. A visually stunning and flavorful choice. For those who enjoy a bit of spice and herbaceousness, a sweet and herby infusion. Remember to adjust the ingredient quantities and steeping time to your taste preferences. Detox waters are a delightful way to stay hydrated and add a burst of flavor to your daily water intake.